Mrs. Dröge, congratulations for winning the Immobilien Manager Award. What does this award mean to you?
It really means a lot because sustainability is really at the heart of us as a company, and I think our teams have worked very hard to really get the sustainability benchmark up and running as a tool. But I also must celebrate the tenants, because the tenants have delivered all the data. That means that we really have to partner with them to get this benchmark out, and I think I'm very happy for the fact that we have managed to do this together.
And how will you celebrate the award?
I think I will send a Twitter already tonight to the head of CR of our department. That's the first thing, and definitely as well we will definitely celebrate it in the company, maybe via a cake or something. We have 7 offices and they will all know that we have won this award.
And do you already know where to place the trophy?
Yeah, I think I'm going to rotate it, because all the teams and all the offices have worked to get the data, have worked for this whole CR report, which is kind of a big thing to get it out. This is the result of it, and I think that I will rotate it.
And what's your impression from this event tonight?
I think it's fantastic. I've never been here. I think it's an enormous, big event. I'm surprised about the professionalism and how it is organized, so I'm very positive about it.
Yeah. So thank you, and I wish you a nice evening further on.
Thank you.